Good morning, Knights. It's time to stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Knights. How you doing? Welcome back. It's not even September yet, and here we are in school. What's up, Mr. Webb? What's going on? Mr. Dominu? Miss L? Hello. Glad you're here. All right, Knights. This is your first bulletin of the year. Be a quick one, and I'm just going to give you some information, and let's see how it goes. All right, I'm Mr. Montgomery. I teach broadcast TV. Here's our first story. We're starting the year off with Spirit Week. Well, at least we'll have a Pep Assembly on Friday, class competition. All right, school pride, good times. Here's how you can get involved. Friday, the first Pep Assembly of the year. So, of course, that means it will be color wars. Each class has their class color to wear to earn points for their class. Freshmen, you should wear white. Sophomores wear yellow. Juniors wear blue. And the class of 23, the seniors, you wear all the colors, plus a tutu and crowns if you want. Let's see which class is here to win. Woohoo! Okay, so freshmen, you'll be wearing white. All right, guess what, freshmen? We got some other news for you. Freshman class officer elections are quickly approaching. Sign up and get your packet at the activities window beginning on Friday. Prepare to record your candidate's speech. Elections will be held on October 5th during night skills, so get involved, get that packet. Seniors, have you had your senior photo taken? Did you order your cap and gown? Do you know what you're going to wear to prom? All right, I know. Getting a little ahead of myself. Sorry about that. Tomorrow is a big day for everybody. All right? Tomorrow, pictures. That's right. Tomorrow is picture day for your ID, for the yearbook. What are you going to wear to school tomorrow? I hope it's one of your favorite shirts or tops because tomorrow is picture day. That's right. Mr. Webb, make sure you are wearing the right shirt. September, we're going to start right off with dressing for success and be prepared to have your photo taken for the ASB card and yearbook. Photos will take place in the gym. Announcements will be made to call students down to the gym by Alpha by their last name. I'm probably going to wear my BHS fantasy football shirt. August 31st, we're back in school. You know what that means? Open house is right around the corner. Thursday, September 8th, there will be an open house from 5 to 6:30. Put that in your calendar and let your adult of significant influence know and plan to show up. I know I'm going to be there. Athletic competitions begin for 2 night teams on Friday. Knights volleyball will participate in a jamboree at Kingston High School. Athletes, your bus departs at 3:15. Good luck, team. And Knights varsity football kicks off the season Friday night at Central Kitsap High School, where they will play in a non-league game. Looks like the bus will depart at 5:30. Kickoff is scheduled for 7 p.m. It's right across town. Let's go support the Knights. All right, and guess what? Birthday announcements are back this year on the Bulletin. We hope to pronounce your name correctly, but if you want to give us a better chance at making that happen, please think about sending me an email with your name phonetically spelt so we know how to properly pronounce your name. All right, let's take a look and see who has a birthday today. Happy birthday to senior Noah Hazen. First birthday of the year. We started school yesterday. There probably would have been more names. In fact, check it out. Yesterday, John, here we go with the names. Agraz, Tiana De Jesus, Traden Hesh, Anissa Mejia, hey, I know her, and Patrick Riley. They all had birthdays. Happy birthday to Noah, and belated birthday to John, Tiana, Traden, Anissa, and Patrick. Hey, have you been enjoying the summer weather? Well, guess what? It's going to continue to be hot throughout the weekend, so make sure you stay hydrated. Don't get sunburned, please, and, get ready. Right? We got lots of hope for this year, so stick around, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully, there'll be different faces giving you this information. Go Knights.